So now 7 weeks after I got this house back, I've finished all the remodeling I did. Here we had these, this is a house I'm going to sell, so I'll have the money to finish the house I'm living in. So I had these countertops reserved. They're kind of an ugly, kind of a wood grain color. Yeah, this is in there, what is it? This is, yeah, kind of a black and white speckled kind of thing. And here's the bathroom. So all the countertops in the house were refinished with the same style. So this was just a laminate countertops were refinished. And then this same company also did the shower. That's what you can see over there. So that shower is pretty beat up. Let's go ahead and have a little closer look here. Did the tub also, the other bathroom, but that's a lot better now than it was before. Here's the other, this is a hall bathroom. Again, I had that countertop refinished. Then they refinished this shower tub combination, tub surround. So it's basically a brand new shower now. So I put a new roof on this house and had that patio repaired, re-roofed and repaired. The patio was the only thing that was leaking. But they definitely need a new roof. This roof was probably 25 years old, asphalt shingle roof. And then cleaned up the yard. Got mowed this yard. And then over here, knocked down all those weeds in this other part here. So this house is on MLS today. And I'm thinking it'll sell pretty quickly, probably about a month or so. We'll have the cash to finish our house.